ICMP, by definition, is an internal control message protocol. And one of the main benefits of this protocol is to discover devices over the network by using the ping command, traceroute, and other protocols. There are some advantages and some disadvantages of using this protocol. One of the major protocols used to discover devices in the network is SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol. This protocol is very well recognized in the industry of monitoring systems because it provides more synchronization with the devices. ICMP, on the other hand, is very lightweight, and according to the tables of poles and numbers for this protocol, is designed to be the number one. Let's say you are pinging Amazon.com. As we explained an overview before, when you are getting a no reply from this host, this doesn't mean that the device is down, or in this case the website Amazon is down, but there are some security enabled in place that for some reason you cannot get any replies back from this interface or firewall. And when you receive these messages like request timeout, the host name or device that is giving you these replies is your local router on your network.